Hello and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you all how I make my DIY clay mask. I find that with my medium density, low porosity hair, clarifying shampoo seems to be a bit too harsh, causing unnecessary breakage. It can be difficult to keep your scalp and low porosity hair nourished if you are not clarifying it. And so from left to right, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what I used. Apple cider vinegar with the mother, peppermint oil, tea tree oil, rosemary essential oil, bentonite clay, Rhassoul Clay, and a glass, or you can use like a wooden bowl. The reason that you want to make your mixture in a glass, silicone, or plastic bowl is because you do not want the clay to absorb some of the metal properties over time. This will in turn lose its potency. I chose to use equal parts of my clay. So I mixed a 1/4 cup of bentonite clay and a 1/4 cup of Rhassoul Clay because I wanted to get just as much moisturizing properties from the Rasool Clay as I got clarifying properties from the bentonite clay. Now, I'm going to share with you all what the benefits of the bentonite clay are. So the reason I chose bentonite clay is because it is a bit stripping, I guess, if that makes sense, but it does not remove your natural oils from your hair. Now, it is beneficial for all hair types. Frizzy hair, if you have split ends, dandruff, roughness, dryness, hair loss, baldness, it can fix all of these hair problems, you guys. I love it. And the main reason I chose bentonite clay is because it's great for hair growth and for low porosity hair because it has negatively charged ions, and these are consistent negatively charged ions. Now, I'm mixing it with the Rasool Clay because Rasool Clay seems to be a bit more nourishing. Now, Rasool Clay is also known as red clay or Rasool Clay or Moroccan clay, and it has a natural mineral that is harvested from the Atlas Mountains of Morocco. It too has negatively charged ions that easily binds to positively charged ions, okay? So the Rasool Clay works especially well for dry hair and scalp because of its moisturizing and mineralizing properties. So that's why I chose to mix the two of these clays together. The great thing is that with Rasool Clay, you can use this as a mask, shampoo, or conditioner. The benefits of Rasool Clay are reduces dryness, flakiness, clears clogged pores in the scalp, improves hair elasticity, aids in detangling, reduces frizz, and soothes scalp problems such as psoriasis and dandruff. I mixed 5 drops of rosemary oil. And I also mixed 5 drops of peppermint oil. Lastly, I added 3 drops of tea tree oil. And there you have it. This is my bentonite and Rasool Clay wash and or shampoo for my low porosity hair. If you all try it, be sure to leave a comment down below and let me know what you all think. Also, stay tuned for my next video where I will show you exactly how I applied this and how my hair reacted to this shampoo. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on that bell so that you'll be notified when Kenya and I upload a new video. I love you guys and I'll see you all in our next one. Bye. There's a sparkle in your eyes.